Welcome to the Bright Wings Transformational Show. This is Nancy Boyd, your host. Get ready for some transformation. Hi, Nancy Boyd here today with a message for you. Actually, a question. How's your electrical system doing these days? Oh, I'm not talking about the electrical system in your house. I'm talking about your bioelectrical system, the energy system that lets you be who you are. Everyone on the planet is suffering from degraded energy fields, the effects of pollution and stress. All of this makes it much harder for you to function. Our survival depends on us staying strong and healthy. We can do that. I've got some ways to help. Go to my site, brightwings.com/shop, and get connected. You'll find a lot of tools there that'll really help you. And if these aren't what you're looking for, give me a holler. Maybe we'll find something that will. Take good care, and thanks for listening. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please follow, subscribe, and share with your friends.